I'm Wen, a Cultural Program Coordinator. If you're watching this video, that means you are leading an AUP study trip soon. I would like to show you everything you need to know before the departure. Today, we will cover 4 topics: detail packet, insurance, student safety, and expense report. First, detail packet. It includes trip memo, itinerary, student roster, emergency contacts, reservation proofs, tickets, and expense report form. Second, insurance. Remember, in the beginning of the semester, we have sent each of you ordre de mission. This important document must be signed and submitted to the HR by you well in advance for 2 reasons. First, it covers your insurance during the trips. And second, it enables the accounting office to proceed any kind of payment for the trip. For example, transportations and accommodations. In other words, no trip can happen without this important form. Make sure you submit it. Third, student safety. Leading a group of students is not always easy. Here we have collected all the tips for you to know what to do if you need any help. First, check and read through the detail packet. You can see many useful information such as AUP contacts, SOS international numbers, AUP insurance information, student emergency contacts, and local police station embassy addresses. We also have a super great tool that is Teams Chat. The Cultural Program Office will create a Teams group chat for your study trip group. This way, you and the students will be able to communicate as long as there's internet. And it has been proven very helpful. As a trip leader, let's also make sure students are reminded of a few things. Keep their carte de séjour and money very well. Never leave anyone alone. Inform you if they are leaving for somewhere far, late, or specific. Lastly, staying out late in a city they are not familiar with could be very risky. It is very crucial to make it clear to the young adults. Lastly, let's talk about your expense report and receipts. This helps the cultural program and the accounting office to understand your payments and be sure to reimburse you correctly. After the trip, please submit your report and receipts to us. The expense report can be submitted digitally or physically, but remember, receipts must be submitted physically with the original copies. So this is the expense report form. It is sent to you along with the detail packet by email in both PDF and Excel forms. You can print and write on the PDF version or directly type on the Excel version. The Excel version will do an automatic calculation for you and tell you how much you have overspent or how much you have to reimburse AUP. Let me take you through. At the top, you will see your name and the advanced amount we have transferred you. Please fill out each line with one single receipt information. Do not combine any receipt together, even if it's the same activity. For example, you have 2 receipts from the same cafe because you paid twice. You should fill out line 1, coffee for professors, receipt number 1, 2 euros. Line 2, croissant for professors, receipt number 2, 2.5 euro. If you pay tips, please also note on the expense report under that particular activity. For example, lunch, receipt number 3, 180 euros, lunch tip, 15 euros. Finally, on this form, you can see at the bottom, this professor has to reimburse 33 euros to AUP. The AUP bank RIB is also sent to you by the same email. We accept reimbursement by bank transfer or in cash at our office. What if the destination uses different currencies other than euro? If your destination you're going has a different currency, for example, Denmark, please keep the exchange receipt with you. While filling out the expense report, you will see there's a column for foreign currencies. You can fill it out there. When submitting the multi-currency report, please also submit your bank statement so the accounting office knows the exact rate of that day, and this way your card fee will also be reimbursed by AUP. You can just send us a screenshot. What if you overspend? Note that you will likely not be reimbursed unless you have a good justification. The advanced expense was calculated based on your proposal, so please spend within the budget. If you applied for 2 group meals, please do not offer a third one. For the receipts, please make sure you bring back itemized receipts or official invoices. Keep in mind, bank card slips don't count as it doesn't have items. If you lost the receipts, you must inform us and sign an attestation sur l'honneur as your justification. Et voila! Once our office finishes reviewing, we will notify and let you know if we have questions. Congratulations! You now have all the logistic knowledge about handling a study trip. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or want to chat with us, feel free to visit our office. Bon voyage!